How to play with all teams in eFootball. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will show you how you can play with all teams in eFootball 23, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're aware and if you play eFootball for a while, you know that you can only use a limited amount of players that you've signed, and even if you go to this trial match, you only have a limited number of teams. So on the trial match as well, you only have limited countries and teams. You don't have clubs and so on as much as you want. But there is a simple trick to play with all teams in eFootball. Now, I'm not going to tell you to sign all players of a specific team and then create your own team. No, we're not going to do that. But what we're going to do is we're going to come to the extras tab over here, and then we have to go to training. And once we go to training, choose the option called free training, and then here you'll find practice match. So under practice match, you can see some of the countries over here. So I'll just go ahead and show you this practice match over here. As you can see, so basically I have my practice match set up with France and England by default. Now if I want to play with any team over here, what I need to do is I need to pause this practice match first, and then at the bottom you can see home and you can see away. So if you want to choose the home team from France to any other, then you can choose home, and then you can choose, let's say, Europe, and then you can go to English League and you could choose any of the club or anything as well. And then you can also come and choose the away team. So we're going to pause it again. So let me just go ahead and then open this up again. So it's going to open it up. I'm going to pause it again. Then I'm going to go to away team. Then I'm going to go to Europe or any of the other team that I want to choose. Then I can just choose any of the other team as well. Though this is just actually a training, it is simply actually also going to get your job done in order to play with any type of team. This is just a simple trick. You might not have commentary or anything, but hope this video helps you actually play with all teams. At least you can go ahead and train them if you want. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.